you serious? You know, I'm doing the best I can, Maya. But at some point, you need to take the wheel. Your destiny isn't gonna write itself.
Maybe I don't want the same destiny as everyone else.
Your application is due tomorrow, Maya.
I know.
But if your father was here, right?
But he's not. You made sure of that.
Don't laugh.
What happened to you? I've seen this before. I've been here.
You're taller than I remember.
Who are?
Though, technically, so am I. Better proportions for the conversation we need to have. Which needs to be quick. You shouldn't be here, Maya. Not anymore.
You know my name?
I do. And you named me. Zeff.
Zeph? The dreams I had as a kid? The imaginary friend?
Not so imaginary, just dimensionally challenged.
What's happening to this place?
Hasn't been the same since he left.
You were there.
This world is unraveling. It appears you have grown up, and you need to make a decision.
You know about...
I've watched you procrastinate for 3 weeks. It's been painful, and I don't even feel pain, theoretically. When you were a little girl, this place was stable. You could visit. We played, sometimes for hours. Life felt so simple then. You painted those handprints after our last adventure together.
How could I forget?
You grew up. That's what's supposed to happen. Forgetting is part of it. Time to go, college girl.
What if I'm not ready?
Remember, every time you create something, a painting, a story, even that essay, you're opening small doors between worlds, safe ones. That's your gift. Now go.
Will I see you again?
Every time you put your paws in a can of paint.
Maya? I heard... Hey. Hey. Are you okay?
Mom. Remember when I was a kid and I used to say I had a friend who lived in the walls?
You were so insistent. You always had a big imagination.
Yeah.
Sunrise in blue glasses, I still see the ghost of you. I've read letters on the nightstand,